Oh, you're kidding me.
What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be installing a clutch stop. I have a different reason for installing it. A lot of people do it so the clutch feels more comfortable, and I'm sure it will, but in my case it's the following. I like to sit back. I like to pull the steering wheel as far back as possible, kind of a race car mode, so I'm as far from the steering wheel as possible towards the middle of the car, and it's just, I'm still properly positioned, but that's the position that I prefer. That's the position we use at the racetrack, and I'm just really used to it. Now, I'm not the tallest individual, so my right foot is fine, brake and gas are fine. The clutch pedal, when I put my seat back like this, I really have to extend my leg all the way in to make it comfortable. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be installing this clutch stop. It's a simple $10 stop that prevents the clutch from sinking all the way down. Now, one added benefit of me doing it is the fact that when the seat is pushed back, and I'm still comfortable, but once it's pushed back, I'm not gonna be rubbing on the bolster here. Luckily, it's not showing any signs of wear. Maybe a little bit here and there, but it's gonna help me preserve the bolster as well. So not only will I be comfortable, but I'm gonna be preserving the perfect condition of the car. So let's get to it. It's a super simple installation. What a lot of people do when they install these things, they pop this whole plastic cover off. It's not really necessary because, and I hope the camera can pick it up, the clutch stop is located right in there, the little rubber piece towards the end. You see it? That's what it is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a screwdriver, some needle nose pliers, pop it out, and put the new piece in. This is the old piece, and this is the new piece. So we're gonna be decreasing clutch travel by about what is it, a half an inch maybe? So let me just pop it back in. Hopefully you can see where the new piece is. This is where I'm pointing the flashlight. It pushed very easily. I kind of pushed it and twisted it clockwise, and there it went. Moment of truth. I haven't pressed the clutch yet. Whew, fingers crossed. Huh. Interesting. I really like it. This feels really good. Let's take it for a quick spin. Alright, so far so good. Huh. Whoa. Huh. Right off the bat, I can tell you that the car is going to be a lot trickier in traffic because there's this much less of that play where you can kind of slip the clutch. I'm in neutral now. Let's say I'm stopped at a red light. Ooh. It's definitely gonna take time to get used to it. Let's try it again. Clutch in, first gear. Look, I just release my foot a tiny bit and the car starts moving. Ooh. Again, first gear, moving. You know what? I'm already used to it. It's fine. So if you are considering this mod, if you have a manual transmission car, do it. This is very popular with a lot of BMWs, not only M's, but all kinds of models. It definitely makes the car feel a lot more comfortable. And for only $10, it's a no-brainer. You can get yours in many places online. I'm gonna link in the description below the place where I got it from. Again, for only 10 bucks or so, it's a no-brainer. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.